How to find hidden chats on Viber. First of all, launch Viber app on your device. Sign into your account. Now for demo purpose, let's hide a particular chat on Viber. To do that, long press on particular chat. And here, on the menu tap on hide chat button and enter the 4-digit PIN. And as you can see that we have successfully hidden that particular chat. To find it, use the search icon at top right corner of your screen and you can easily type in the name of that particular user. And as you can see that under contact we have find that particular chat. Tap to open it. Now enter the 4-digit PIN and then tap on the username at top of your screen. And here you simply need to tap on unhide this chat and you can unhide the chat if you wish to. So in this way you can easily find hidden chats on Viber. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.